Do you know Wakiso dance kids? I believe you know. Well, they do dances and some acts and plays. And in this video, I'm bringing to you a clip where they have mimicked the voice of Dr. Odonga speaking on NBS Frontline about the future of Uganda and forgiveness and humanity. Check it out.
Let me tell you, if you don't resolve this Bobi Wine issue, we are living in Kampala.
What is the issue?
We are living in Kampala.
What is the Bobi Wine issue?
No, he cannot be on the run. He should be assisted. They should send people. Say, Muju, we can trace where this man is. This Rubongoya, whoever, I know, Semuju, it is not comforting. There should be negotiations. Because we are in Kampala city. This city, if it explodes, you are in the land of Baganda, and they have voted against the government. If you are joking with this, then we are on a time bomb, we are on a sleeping volcano. So the eminent persons, the religious leaders, the pastors, you have to reach out to the president. And we have a national dialogue. This is even where we can start having discussions of government of national unity.
So, should Bobby's disappearance be an issue to put the country on the edge? Because the state says...
Supposing you wake up tomorrow and find his body...
He disappeared at his own volition, and they are not pursuing him.
Let me tell you, that is a wrong statement. The state should look for Bobi Wine now. Because if you wake up tomorrow and find him dead on the shores of Lake Victoria, assuming some terrorists get him, Al-Shabaab gets Bobi Wine and they execute him and his body is dropped in the street of Kampala, this city will burn. So it should be in the interest of the state actually to look for Bobi Wine and give him protection because he's vulnerable. He could be on a border now. He could be on a hood. This is the time we need to talk even of government of national unity. What is wrong with Bobi Wine becoming the prime minister?
Okay. The Wakiso Dance Kids UG video mimicking Honorable Odonga's voice is more than entertainment. It is a quiet but powerful lesson about leadership and influence. Children imitate what inspires them. They borrow voices, gestures, and messages from figures they see as meaningful, courageous, and relevant to their reality. That these young ones could so confidently and joyfully reenact a serious political message speaks volumes about the kind of leadership that reaches beyond podiums and into everyday life. A good leader does not only command adults, they shape the imagination of the young. When children choose to model a leader, it means that leaders' words carry clarity, authenticity, and moral weight. The Masaka kids were not acting out of fear or coercion. They were playful, confident, and deliberate. This shows that leadership grounded in truth and conviction naturally attracts followers, even the youngest members of society. Role models are not appointed, they are not chosen. Young people instinctively gravitate toward figures who speak boldly, think independently, and stand firm in moments of national tension. Such leaders become reference points in conversation, head, and even childhood play. That is real influence. Ultimately, the video reminds us that leadership is a responsibility with long shadows. What leaders say today shapes how the next generation thinks, speaks, and dreams tomorrow.